Hey you guys, in this video I will be doing a DIY picnic table. I'm having a tea party for my birthday next week, and so I'm doing a tea party with the kids before I leave for my actual birthday trip. Somebody said I'd be talking too much in one of my comments, so let's get straight to it. I would tag them, but I ain't gonna do that anyway. Everything you see in the video I got from Lowe's, but I did already have some stuff on hand. And friend, don't get mad at me. I did forget to take a picture of the big piece of wood. Well, technically it's 2 pieces of wood combined, but I forgot to take a picture of it. I gotta see it to believe it. So what I did was I laid the wood on the floor to see if I like the length and width of it, and that's how I determine what pieces of wood I got. It took me a couple of tries. Now I'm not gonna yell. What I would suggest is finding one piece of big wood instead of the 2 like I did it. But if you can't, this is another option. But I do prefer the 1 piece of wood because it's less work. Wood filler is gonna be your best friend for this project, so do not fret. It is okay. Yeah, I'm not doing a lot of talking in this video, but essentially you're taking the big piece of wood and making a border around it. That's all you're doing. Easy peasy, I promise you. But this video is almost 9 minutes long, so I will not be talking this the entire time. I'm not gonna do that. So if you have any questions, any comments, just let me know and I will try my best to get back to you. And to my Aries, girl, it's your time, baby. Have fun.
I'm gonna have to hold it.
Thank you.
What?
A hoop.
You what?
A hoop. Can I open my hoop at the time, Mama?
Oh, I cracked it. Yeah, that's fine, too.
Can you call me?
I cracked it. This at least it's staying. Even if it's not right, you can sand it down. But this one ain't cracked. Oh yeah.
Can I play outside?
Yeah.
I will have to add wood filler right here.
Hey you guys, this is day 2 of my project. So I literally just came outside. So what I'm going to do today is just add the other borders around it today and then sand it. So let's get straight into it. And so I will be using the shorter pieces today and attaching these first. I will have to cut these to get it down to size. I'm gonna use chalk. That's why I marked it, because when I cut it, I would know what pieces I needed. It is cold. This Texas weather, like yesterday it was hot and today it's cold. If I get fix this side better, I'm gonna put this one over here. I'm gonna have to add wood filler, but it's
And so I wish I would have got 2. Wait. So you see, it's holding it right here, but right here is a space. So I'll come and move it. I'll probably let this do for 10 minutes and then I'll come and move it. Using what you got. And so y'all don't think this is perfect. I'll need wood filler. I couldn't find pieces that were the length of the picnic table, so I will have to use wood filler here and then sand it down. This one is not as bad, but it'll still need to be sanded and wood filler added. So I'm trying. I don't know how I'm gonna do this part because
Day 3. I'm about to sand it. It's cute. I don't like this color. I'm gonna sand this off. I don't like this color.